Hello my Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of, yes, it's Monday, October the 26th, 2020, and this Sudoku is a binary Sudoku, a number 1804. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there no. Double 1 here and O there no. Double O here, 1 there 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here and 1 there 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, and O there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here and O there, no. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow! This one is very quick to solve without comparing. Yes, without comparing. So, a quick one to solve. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last one, a tectonic with 3 stars. See you later. Bye bye for now.